Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Webex meeting how to record. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To record a Webex meeting, you must be the host or co-host or have recording permissions. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Webex application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, simply tap on the meeting link, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply tap on or start the meeting. And once done, what you need to do is simply tap on the three dot icons, and then once you're inside here, scroll down and you'll find an option that says record, and then simply tap on record or a circle button on the bottom bar. And then all you gotta do now is if prompted to choose simply record in cloud and save to Webex site or record on your computer as well. Now you can also simply save it to the cloud recording on your phone as well. Once done, simply tap on stop recording, and then basically that's how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.